Today, we will have our own True Colors Choir sing the Black National Anthem. These students will include Nafia Johnson, Mariah Zeb Quinones, Tavia Allen, Zaria Larnell, Zoe Segbawu, and Zach Johnson.
Lift every voice.
Good morning, Oak Park and River Forest students and staff. I'm Riley Bazillion, the president of Black Leaders Union.
And I am Jalen Megg, the vice president of Black Leaders Union.
Welcome to our annual MLK Assembly.
With our harmonies.
This past Monday, January the 15th, was Dr. King's birthday, and we observed the national holiday that was created in his honor. It was Dr. King who said, "The function of education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education."
Who was the first African American woman graduate at OPRF? And again, Riley's coming around with the microphone to take an answer.
Lauren Yu.
A, B, or C? A is correct.
Facing the rising.
In 1957, Dr. King said to an audience in Montgomery, Alabama, "Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others?" For over 16 years, Leandra Wade has served as one of the greatest driver's education teachers at Oak Park River Forest High School. 15 of those being the sponsor of Black Leaders Union.
Mr. Wade, we will miss you greatly and wish all the best in your retirement. Please give a round of applause for Mr. Leandra Wade.
So with that, I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to those who have made my journey as a new sponsor an awesome experience.